Hi, my name is Maria Wingard, and you are in my kitchen. This is my open letter to Mr. Shkreli. Dear Mr. Shkreli, you don't know me, and until today I had never heard of you either. Currently, we are in each other's lives because of a drug called Daraprim. Because you see, yesterday it was prescribed to make me well again. Please give me a few minutes to outline my story of how our lives are now entwined. I have been moderately sick for the last 4 years, extremely tired, sinus infections out the wazoo, and stomach issues. Approximately 2.5 years ago, while dealing with a severe tonsillitis sinusitis, I developed MRSA. I also started to have issues with my eyesight, and to this day, I have a bubble on my retina. It was then we believe I also developed mono as well. I switched doctors in a desperate attempt to get well, yet I still did not feel quite right. We tried thyroid medicine and stomach medicine. These allowed me to function, but I still always had an underlying exhaustion that never really went away. I ended up with constant bladder infections from all of the medications I was on. The urologist said it looked like psoriasis, but only on my bladder. Finally, August 9th of 2015, I developed painful bumps on the back of my neck. 3 of them, 3 lymph nodes that were swollen. Because I had just been in the woods that day, I was concerned that I may have been bit by a bug and scheduled an appointment with my doctor 10 days after the bumps presented themselves. Doctor asked if I had noticed any bumps anywhere else, and I mentioned the one that I have on my left breast that the gynecologist had said was not an issue. But she had not done a mammogram. My doctor immediately sent me for a mammogram and to a surgeon. 2 days later, my lump in my breast was confirmed to just be fatty tissue, and we moved on to the surgeon August 28th. The doctor found a golf ball-sized lymph node underneath my left arm and strongly recommended a biopsy, which was then scheduled September 8th. Thankfully, we found out at surgery that I do not have cancer. On September 15th, at my follow-up appointment, I was informed that I have toxoplasmosis and referred me to an infectious disease doctor. Unfortunately for me, my appointment with the doctor was scheduled September 21st, 2015. The day my cure went from $14 a pill to $750 a pill. Today, as I write this to you, my pharmacist and doctor are wasting precious time trying to find a different solution to my very serious problem. I live modestly. I don't have much, and I always live within my means. Your very greedy and selfish decision could potentially cost me my entire life savings plus some. I do not have cable TV or many of the amenities people of affluence have, but I'm not poor either, and I'm not sorry for where I'm at in my life. I enjoy my life. I do not have cable TV, like I said, and I want you to take a look at my home. I want you to see, this is my living room. It's probably the size of your bedroom closet. This is my kitchen table and my tiny kitchen. So as you can see, I don't live rich. I live modestly. My old tired furniture mismatched to perfection in a warm abode that I call home. I'm not complaining, as I love the simplicity of my life, just simply explaining how your decision is affecting me personally. Last night, my husband and I had to have a talk of, we don't have $35,000 to pay for my medicine, but we have to because it's the only solution to my disease. As I prayed to the Lord last night, I asked him why I was not able to get into the doctor Friday instead of Monday. Why on the very day I was in need did the price have to jump 5,500%? Why did I have to have my appointment on this awful day? I feel that it is because I'm a voice for those who do not have a voice. And for those who may not even know what to say as they're crushed beneath the weight of the diagnosis and medical expenses and cannot find the adequate words to express what is going on inside of them. Mr. Shkreli, my prayer for you is that you will find your moral compass and direct it to the correct path. You are currently on a slippery slope of greed. If you do not have a change of heart, then I pray some chemist somewhere duplicates your drug and provides the world with another solution for toxoplasmosis. I pray that it is then fast-tracked by the FDA and approved quickly so that you become bankrupt within 5 years. What you're doing is wrong. Please search your heart and find compassion somewhere in there. Thank you with all sincerity, Maria Wingard.